If you suffer with disc pain and back pain, here are my 4 tips for disc pain relief. Now, this can be super painful. And did you know that there are 23 discs in the spinal column, and they help to provide that spongy cushioning between the vertebrae. But what happens over time and with age is that they actually lose their volume. They get dried out and they do shrink and get compressed. And that's why as people age, they actually can shrink over time because of that disc space that is shrinking as well. Okay, so here are my favorite tips. Tip number 1 is exercise, and especially yoga. So one of my favorite postures is downward dog. I want you to try this. If you are not a yoga person, you don't need to be. You're gonna love this posture. It really does help to stretch out that vertebral canal. Really important to stretch out those discs and to give that spongy cushioning to that space between your vertebrae. Tip number 2 is proper hydration. So yes, the discs, as they're compressed, they are losing their moisture, their hydration. So making sure that you're drinking enough water is super important. And try that Soleil water, adding some salt. I do have that recipe in another video, so check that out. Amazing for that proper hydration of your discs. And tip number 3 is to get some more natural sunlight exposure, and especially that red light, infrared and far infrared that we get naturally from natural sunlight exposure, or even from red light therapy, is very reparative to those discs and fantastic for that disc pain relief. Number 4 on the list is omega-3 fat. So eating more seafood or taking a high quality, especially DHA supplement is really important. In one study, it was found that it has the potential to have protective effects on the progression of spinal disc degeneration. So really helping to feed those discs with those omega-3s that they need. Now, for a list of supplements that can help to relieve pain, please check out my video, Joint Pain Relief Supplements You Should Be Taking. I'll see you there.